1970s, the sleepy ghost town known as Gruene, Texas, had become a shell of its former self, abandoned for the most part and without any signs of tourists walking its cobbled streets. But Gruene is the story of a sleeping giant waiting to be awakened. Purchased by an enterprising pair of friends from San Antonio with a vision for a honky-tonk way of life, many buildings in Gruene were painstakingly restored and reopened. The building that is now home to the quaint Gruene Outfitters is one such property, but there is much more to this old building than just rot and reel. Originally built in 1914 to store horse-drawn buggies, the shop became the Gruene Brothers Garage before the Second World War and must have seen all sorts of classic styles like sweeping fenders, teardrop headlights, and even engines that needed to be physically cranked to start. Over the years, the cars changed, and so did Gruene, transforming from a thriving agricultural community to the tourist mecca that it is today. During the rebirth of Gruene, Ray Box purchased this building and used the structure as a workshop during the renovation of other surrounding buildings. In the spring of 1989, Ray launched Gruene Outfitters with nothing but a small rack of Patagonia clothing, a boat building operation in the back room, and a huge passion for fly fishing. Gruene Outfitters was opened and ready for business. As the outdoor clothing business continued to grow, Ray decided to turn from boat building to selling fly tackle and other outdoor goods. He began to act as a fly fishing guide on the Comal and Guadalupe rivers, all while continuing to run the shop full-time. In 2000, a young woman by the name of Tiffany Yates began working at the store while still in college. As an avid sport fisher, she quickly caught on to fly fishing and fell in love with not only the sport, but the retail business as well. Shortly after graduating, Tiffany stayed on and ran the shop until the winter of 2006, when she decided to purchase the store from Ray. Even today, their slogan, "Get Outside," remains intact. Gruene Outfitters never falls short in encouraging its customers to engage in a first-rate, outdoor, adventure-seeking lifestyle. So visit Gruene Outfitters and let them lure you away to some of the best fishing holes in Central Texas.